to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Imperial Petroleum with the ticker symbol IMPP, and today the stock is down 0.89%, trading at 54 cents. Volume is at 35 million compared to an average volume of 50 million. So it means we have fewer shares that are traded today compared to the average. If you look at the top of your screens, you can see that on Wall Street, the major indexes are struggling to stay above water. S&P 500 is up 0.68%. The Dow 30 is up 0.39%. Nasdaq up 1.76%. Russell 2000 up 1.43%. But crude oil is down 6.97%, trading at $109.39 a barrel. So on the 14th of June 2022, Imperial Petroleum came out with their financials, and the main thing to take away from is that they have increased their fleet to 8 tankers right now, and they also say that they have tripled their fleet capacity to 682,000 deadweight tons. The fleet operational utilization is at 98.9% in Q1 of 22, and they had 0 days of technical off-hire. Revenue is $5.1 million in Q1 22, which is about the same level as in Q1 21, but approximately 28% higher than the revenues that they had in Q4 of 21. And they say that is because of the improved market. And I think that is those are the main things that one can retain from the financials that they released 3 days ago. Also, this one just came in on the 16th, that's yesterday. It says Imperial Petroleum Inc. declares dividend on Series A preferred shares. So yeah, they will be paying out a dividend of approximately 54 cents per share on 8.75% Series A cumulative redeemable perpetual preferred stock. And so that's a good thing for those who hold the preferred stock of Imperial Petroleum. However, they are also saying that the market conditions are also good for them. And so far this year, 2022, they seem to be performing, a little bit better than they did last year, at least for the fourth quarter of last year. So that is what they had in the financials. Also, you can see that the stock previously closed at 54 cents, but opened higher today at 59 cents. And looking at the graph, you guys can see that the stock actually opened higher and then now is trending lower. But the volume is quite low compared to the average. So I am thinking many people who own Imperial Petroleum stock are just sitting tight and hanging on to their stock. If we go to the monthly, we can see that the stock has actually risen over the month, even though over the past 5 days, it has lost some of its value. But I think in the coming months, even if President Joe Biden, as he goes to Saudi Arabia, is able to ink out a deal with the Saudis and OPEC, most of the oil to make up for the shortages and bring down gas prices in the United States will have to be imported. And there's still a lot of moving pieces in the global energy trade. So either way, I think at least for the next couple of months, for the foreseeable future, companies like Imperial Petroleum stand to benefit because they provide the shipping services for crude oil and refined petroleum products that most of the world needs now, especially as Russia is still under a heavy embargo from Western countries. That is what I had to say today about Imperial Petroleum. The stock is now down 1.13% and trading at 53 cents a share. I will catch you guys on the next video. If you haven't done so, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It is the single most important way in which you can help this channel grow. And for every new subscriber, we are getting closer to the 1,000 subscriber mark, which we fixed for ourselves to attain by the midterm elections in November this year. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.